Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to remove row or column in Microsoft Excel. So let's started. At first, open your Excel document file. Firstly, then show the Excel document from the table to the row or columns. This column and row from the remove. And shortcut key from firstly, then I show the remove from the row, then we unneat from the row. Now for click, now keyboard press from the control minus, that's okay. Now click for the enter row, now click for ok, that's okay. Then show the remove from the row, that's then remove from the columns, this your unneat from the column. Now for click, now keyboard press from the control minus, now click for the enter columns option, now click for ok, that's it. Then I show the remove row or columns in Microsoft Excel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.